guys, welcome to Car Tech Media. My name is Daniel. I'm here with my boy Peter, and today we're in the MK3 Supra, and we got a special video for you. Last night we got a pop and we had a bunch of girls over. We drank a shit ton of booze. Got pretty fucked up, not gonna lie. We did not drive. I do not condone drinking and driving. Don't do it. Unless you're a badass, then you can do it. Nah, don't do it. I'm kidding. But we still don't have a shift knob for this car, but after one great night of drinking and partying, we were left with a present from the gods. And that present is a Patron bottle cap, which we are going to use
and turn it into a stick shift knob.
And turn it into a stick shift knob. And it's gonna be dope, I hope. So let's get to it.
And action, it's recording.
So guys, step number one, before we start doing anything to put this on, is we got to get the measurements of the actual threading of the shift knob itself. So what we're gonna do is, I got my handy dandy tape measure here. We're just gonna measure the width, the length of the threading. So I'm just gonna drop it right there on the 6 to see how big it is. And it's roughly about, I'd say, 7/16 to half of a inch. So I'm probably gonna go with a drill bit slightly smaller than 7/16. And the lengthwise, how deep would we have to go? We could go all the way down to the bottom. So from the bottom to, it's about a full inch. It's like 1 inch. Yeah, it's an inch. So 1 inch deep. So we're gonna mark off there. And then we just now got to find the center of this so we could drill a nice even hole. Okay, so we got our measurements of 7/16 and we found our drill bit and we put it into our drill. I love drills. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna find the center marking here. So what we're gonna do is, again, we're gonna use our trusty dandy tape measure. We're gonna see how wide it is. It's about 4.5 inches wide. Oh no, slightly less. Well, shit, I have to do math. Alright, give me a second to figure this out. I have to do maths. I don't like maths. No, it's it's about 1.5 inches. So that'd be what? 75? Yeah, 75. 0.75. So that'd be 3/4. So 3/4 from the edge. That's 1, 2, 3. Right around there. So we're gonna mark that off.
Action.
So as I was performing my task, we got interrupted a little bit, so I don't know exactly where we left off, but what we have now is we found the center on the cork itself, and now all we got to do is drill it. Look at me real quick, because I cannot stress this enough. Do not attempt to do what I'm about to do. I'm what you called a trained dumbass. So you want to like grip it down with a vise or something. Usually I don't have a vise right now, so I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna use my toolbox as a leverage point. Don't try this at home again.
Action.
So we ran into a little bit of a situation. I did not foresee the cork. In hindsight, I should have figured this, but the cork isn't the strongest material. So as soon as we started drilling in, a bunch of the pieces started flying off and made the hole a little bit bigger than it needed to be, as you can see. But easy fix. What we did is we got a smaller drill bit to anticipate for it, and we're gonna go in a little bit deeper. This actually worked out for the best, because now this is gonna fit even more perfect, because it's gonna go and look like it's gonna be one piece of the actual shifter itself. So we're gonna drill it out again now, and we're just gonna go in a little bit deeper than before, or than originally planned. So we're gonna put in our drill bit. Wrong way. I'm twisting it the wrong way. Nope, I was twisting it the right way. I'm just impatient. Nope. let's see how deep that went. It's about... Yeah, that's about... Yeah, we could go a little bit deeper. Alright, let's go give it another try installing it. Follow me. Knock out all the material. There we go, that feels so much better already. Thread is actually catching. And now we got ourselves a little shift knob. There you go. Just like that, you got yourself a badass shift knob.
Let's look at that. That's pretty cool.
And yeah, you could even write little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever transmission you need for it, or whatever sequence you need for it on there if you want to, or you could keep it plain. I prefer the plain look myself, but yeah, now you have a cork shift knob
Out of a Patron bottle cap.
Yeah. All you need is a Patron bottle and some friends to drink it with, or you could drink it yourself if it's sad boy hours. It's up to you. Good looking out, boys. We'll see you in the next video.